for nothing.
Beef today, roasted tatties, roasted carrot and parsnips, and the butter fried cabbage, and the thick ass beef gravy.
Beef.
And fish for the old gal.
I'm going to do a practice swing first, like golf, alright?
Yeah. Your practice swing is your cast.
No, I'm having a practice golf swing ready, so...
So, I shouldn't have turned the camera off. Ryan's literally caught a fish on his first cast. What are the odds?
I'm a fisherman. The sea is my creatures. Come here, fish. I got a rock. I got a big rock. Nice practice reel. I told you how to practice.
So we're having no luck catching Maria's dinner, are we, Ryan?
No.
Got a bit of seaweed. Oh, got a bit of seaweed if she wants that.
Yeah.
So
put it in the bucket. You won't put it in the bucket.
What?
The seaweed.
No, she don't want that. Hopefully we get her something while she's going hungry. So we just bumped into an old friend, Martin, who we haven't seen in about 10 years.
I was at his evening party.
Yeah, Ryan was at his evening party and Ryan gave him a big hug. Wish I caught it on camera. But yay. Anyway, he told us we want to be fishing around this side of the mountain.
We were going to go to, but didn't.
Yeah, so far we've got seaweed and rocks. So there we are, traversing these sketchy cliffs. The quest to find the fish, eh?
I'm going to go there.
Got a bit of chop now. I did it!
Where is he in good today?
Oh, it was
You stupid idiot! You idiot, me! Look at you in the bucket! Hey, Colin, we'll give him some water, we'll take him home in the car, and we'll stab him! Look at his poor little gills going. Throw him back. Stab him with the pliers. Through the eye. He's just dying whilst we're talking. Help him out.
We got a fish.
We're just dying. Help him out. You can't let him suffocate.
We're literally going to eat him.
You idiot.
Yeah, like that. Go a bit further. No, don't mess up. Go a bit further forward, yeah. Yeah, but no, the whole idea is to be respectful.
Oh, okay.
It's a pleasure to be able to take fish from the sea. So, this is Maria's sea. Wow, that is flaky. Nice eyeball, it's gross. Look at that. Fresh fish. Baby!
Oh, what's happened to that?
So, we've butchered it.
It's like fish.
Nice. Is it fishy?
I don't think it's particularly fishy.
We are, look, power harrowing today, look. Looking lovely straight lines, look. Beautiful. Little cool shot for you, following the other tractor. Show you how bloody beautiful it is living around here. Oh my god, surrounded by mountains. We're out here fishing again. In the same spot we've got the local dealer catch. This is where I'm going to be casting from. While the tide's nice and low. A lot of weeds. Don't know if you can see it. There's a big crab down there. And a couple of starfish stuck to the side. Ryan was fishing to the side. Near the seagulls. And this was the result. There's meant to be a lure there.
2 days, 10 quid.
Nice.
Watch the blind guy try and thread things and do stuff that has to be very small and delicate. Like, God's sake. How the hell do I even do this? Why are you filming me do this? I've got spazzy hands, spazzy eyes.
Right,
I'm
just
a spaz.
put the end through the hurl before you pull it. There, and now pull it. And just do that over and over again.
I can't remember how many times I've repped now.
That's 3. And there you go. Ryan's new lure. A Gillies £15.
Gilly!
Got a few new implements. We've got a fish dispatcher. Steel rod to the brain, we'll sort that right out. And we have the world's sharpest fillet knife. So we can fillet Maria's fish. Lovely jubbly. Here we have it, look. Ryan's first cast with a new lure. Oh, straight in there. Oh, a bit inaccurate, but we'll move. Crikey, mate. What you got, Ryan?
Got a whopper.
You're a whopper. Right, we got a fresh lure on. And we're going to give this spot a little try. The tide's coming in a bit now. So we need to be careful we don't get stuck out here. But, see how we get on. A few flicks over here. Ryan's not had a fish. He'll get one. Bosh. Bosh. Oh my god, near the rocks. Ah! Woohoo! I hope I got that. That almost fucking ripped me off. So, the lucky spot has turned into the unlucky spot. We've got 0 fish and we're down
30 quid.
5 lures. Ryan lost 4, I lost 1. He even lost one of mine. But
Expensive fish is this, isn't it? Jesus Christ.
so we've just got an ice cream.
Almost finished.
Yeah. Trekking up this little hill. Nice little beach. Bit windy, but this is the top.
The top.
So not much exciting up here.
I'm very excited.
What about?
Being up here.
Why?
It's exciting.
Why is it?
I'm excited.
Yeah, not really much to see other than the lay of the land. Ah, quite pretty. So in our Mount Maunganui video, we was on that mountain there. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Interesting. You can see all the different currents smashing into each other. Pretty cool. You see a full line there, look. Should we go down? After you.
Oh no. I need you to test the truck is safe.
Cool, isn't it?
Checking it's gonna be crabs. Smells fishy. No. No, don't please. Come on, don't do that please.
Oh.
Agile.
Must be some good fishing territory here. Me and Ryan might have to give it a whirl, maybe get more than 1 fish in 2 days. Up there, I reckon. And this is the beach that we've eventually made it to.
Very flat.
Very flat. Lovely. Keep marine pests out, Taranga Bay.
Oh. Shell. Yeah, it's cold.
Nice.